In today's video, we will be talking about 9 camping gears you won't believe exist. Number 9. Lockhart Tactical STATAS Trip Alarm. Lockhart Tactical STATAS was designed to be an all-in-one Sentry tactical automatic trip alarm system. This little device can be automatically deployed if rigged as a trip alarm or fired manually. It fits in small pockets and can be easily and safely deployed in a few seconds to fire emergency flares or bear bangers. You can use this device to stop animals from getting to your tool shed without you knowing. Also, it can be used as an anti-vehicle theft device. Are you hurt or lost? Simply launch a signaling flare. Are you threatened by any predator near you? Don't panic, fire a bear banger. Number 8. Atwood Tactical Rope Dispenser. The Atwood Tactical Rope Dispenser delivers tangled-free rope quickly and reliably. All you have to do is simply pull out the length you need and cut it with the built-in blade. The cutting blade is made from razor-sharp high-carbon steel, which cuts the paracord to be cut instantly. You can clip the paracord dispenser on your belt or backpack for convenient access and one-handed operation. You can easily reload the TRD with 50 feet of paracord at any time. There are a variety of paracords to choose from: the Kevlar, glow-in-the-dark, Dyna X, reflective, or any color or pattern you want. Number 7. Crua Culla Insulated Tent. This insulated hammock Culla creates a more comfortable camping experience. The Crua Culla hammock wraps your hammock, and with the insulation technology, it retains your body heat within its inner walls. It can also be used as an insulated outer shell for your hammock, which will keep you warm and keep the elements off your back. Or you can use it as an under the quilt while you are out in the wilderness for your comfort. Number 6. Goatbox Co-Scout Hub. This device is a modular food and gear storage system for all your outdoor activities. The hub provides functional and intuitive gear storage features and has a heavy-duty roto-molded construction. It is built for storing and organizing your outdoor gear, and it comes with 4 detachable containers which you can use to carry snacks, gear, bait, or other small items. It also features the freeze frame insulation that maximizes cold or heat retention for keeping your frosty cold. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and give this video a like if you are enjoying the content. Number 5. Crua AER Rooftop Tent Maxx. The Crua AER Maxx is a rooftop tent with 360-degree views. It comes with a thermally insulated interior and has an anti-wind noise feature. It also offers supreme temperature regulation. The Crua AER Maxx fits most standard roof bars. To attach it to your vehicle, all you need is a set of crossbars that should run perpendicular to your vehicle. Ensure you check both the static and dynamic loads of your crossbars. You can set this tent up quickly in just 60 seconds. Number 4. Jetboil Flash Cooking. The Jetboil Zip Personal Cooking System is a reliable option for backpackers. It is an efficient and affordable camping stove. The Zip is an easy-to-use cooking system that boils water in just 2 minutes with half the fuel consumption of conventional systems. Jetboil's 0.8-liter cooking cup boils water and keeps it warm. The bottom cover can be used as both a measuring cup and a bowl. It is quick to set up and pack up. There are no loose parts. Number 3. Ignik FireCan. The Ignik FireCan is a rectangular box. It is a portable gas fire pit whose body is constructed of steel. It is 15 inches long and 7 inches wide. It is made with a high-temperature coating and weighs 11 pounds. It comes with a removable lid and propane hookup on the back. The FireCan has a graded front and back that allows its users to see the flames of the fire and also allows the box to emit heat easily. Its 4 foldable legs help to lift off the ground. The FireCan is plug-and-play ready along with the included hose, which can be attached to one of the Ignik's 5-pound tanks or any 10-pound tank. Number 2. Ncamp Kitchen to Go. This gadget provides basic items that help you set up an outdoor kitchen. It is a 4-piece bundle that includes a multi-fuel burning stove, bamboo prep surface, ISO propane adapter, and a durable carrying case. The Ncamp stove uses twigs from the forest for fuel and has an innovative collapsing combustion chamber that allows it to pack flat, thereby reducing bulk in your pack. The Ncamp cutting board is a naturally antimicrobial bamboo top. It is lightweight and has an elevated work surface that gives you a clean place to prepare your meals. The surface is lightly coated with a vegetable oil finish and is very easy to clean. The The durable carrying case allows you to nest and pack the prep surface stove and other utensils. Number 1. Lifestraw Peak Gravity. Lifestraw Peak Gravity Bottle is a simple, lightweight, and compact choice for camping and backpacking. It has an optimized filtration cartridge that boasts a high flow rate, and it can also remove sand and silt without clogging. All you have to do is simply fill the water storage bag with water, hang it up, and let gravity do its work to make the water clean enough for drinking. The water storage bag is made from premium materials that make it extra durable so it can withstand the same toughness and usage you put other gears through. In addition, it is designed to be ultra versatile. You can use it as a storage system while moving about, and also as a straw filter by itself or with a standard water bottle.